I'm Ray, and we're in the garden today. This channel is all about growing your own fruit and vegetables, along with your flowers and DIY projects. So please subscribe. But today, we're talking about daffodils, or Narcissi. So there are many varieties of Narcissi, that are commonly known as daffodils, and they're one of the most popular spring bulbs. Everybody loves to see the bright yellow leaves and the bright yellow white trumpets, which is a sure good sign of the start of spring. There are many varieties of daffodils. Today we're planting the golden yellow daffodils. These come in a 2-kilogram bag and they cost £4, which is a real bargain. The daffodils are far more adaptable than many other spring bulbs, growing in full sun or semi-shade, as we are against the wall, as long as it's not too wet or too shady, which will reduce the flowering in future years. We're going to prepare the area by digging the soil, and I'm going to cover this whole border with lots of bulbs for a lovely spring colour. Daffodils can be planted out from now until the end of September, buying any large bulk amounts at the end of the season, as they might become dehydrated. Check each bulb as we plant, and if they're soft, then discard them. Plant out with the roots at the bottom and the pointy bit at the top. Bulbs should be planted 3 times the depth of the bulb, and if we're doing it in rows, then 7 to 15 centimetres apart, as the bulbs do bulb out. If these are grown in pots, they can be sown a lot closer. And why not try the lasagna method, doing tulips, daffodils, crocuses on top, and that brings some spring in the colour. So let's get these planted. Simple, digging a hole, root side down, in the hole. Simple as that. And we get a nice spring coloured in January, February. Sorted. Thank you for watching. I will look forward to seeing these spring colours in the new year. So are you planting any daffodils? Let me know. What varieties are you planting? Thank you very much. Cheers.